everyone, in today's video we're going to learn about the for loop in Python, a powerful way to repeat code for multiple items. Let's dive right in. So here I have a list of numbers, and we are going to use a for loop to print each number on the list. So first, let me show you the basic syntax of a for loop. It looks like this. So item is a placeholder for each element in the list, and iterable is a collection or sequence of items you're looping through. Now let's look at this example. So I've created a list of numbers from 1 to 5, and I'll use a for loop to print each numbers. Now, when we run this code, Python will go through the list and then it'll go through it one element at a time. And for each iteration, it assigns the current number to the variable num, and then it prints it out. See how it printed each number one by one? That's the magic of the for loop. Boom. So that's it for today. The for loop is a simple yet powerful tool to repeat actions in Python. I hope this helps you understand how it works. Be sure to practice with different types of data like strings or even dictionaries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe.